Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing only what is required to run. Install Terraform and Azure CLI, then authenticate. Once done, create an Azure Service Principal and export ARM variables so Terraform can provision resources non-interactive. Next, create a project folder, add a main, TF that declares the Azure provider, and a resource group. Initialize the folder with Terraform in it to download the provider. Make sure your subscription is set correctly, and that state backend is chosen before moving to resource definitions. Now you define the infrastructure. Create a resource group, virtual network, subnet, and a network interface. Then declare the virtual machine resource with a concrete size, image reference, OS disk and admin credentials, or SSH public key. Also add a public IP and network security group rules, linking them to the NIC. Once your HCL is complete, run Terraform validate to catch syntax issues, then Terraform plan to review changes. Make adjustments until the plan matches your intent and security constraints. Execute Terraform apply to provision the VM, review the plan, and confirm. Once provisioning finishes, retrieve the public IP output and attempt SSH or RDP to validate access. If you cannot connect, first verify network security group rules, subnet association, and NIC configuration, then confirm the VM boot diagnostics in the portal. If Terraform shows a state mismatch, run Terraform refresh or use Terraform import to bring existing resources under management. Make sure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.